Morning, bird nerds. I'm Grant. I'm a bird nerd. I was out a bit earlier this morning when there was hardly any light, so I'm out here now giving you the first seen and heard report for this morning. First heard European blackbird, that won't be a surprise to anybody. First seen yellow winged or New Holland honeyeater, if you want to be queeny and colonial about it. Dogfight, territorial dispute in the hood. I'm in St Albans in Melbourne in Australia. I'd like to tell you 2 live streams today, so subscribe to the channel and you can find out about more habitat gardening or feral cat control in Western Australia. And why not check out the birdemergency.com? So much there. Birdie goodness. Bye.